I don't ruin it. Tell you. Look at this, guys. Look what is coming this way right now. Good morning, everybody. We have thunderstorms producing maybe up to an inch of rain in about an hour if you're down farther to the south. A half inch of rain or a quarter of an inch of rain, somewhere in that range for farther north. So good for your garden, all right? But this morning, for the next hour, you're going to have to deal with this as it comes right into the city if you're heading on out soon. But here's the 435 loop. Here's where the heavy thunderstorm is, just southwest of Lawrence right now. And there is a lot of lightning if you look off to the west. A thunderstorm down near Lacine right now in Lynn County, and then up near Paola, just to the west of Paola, between Paola and Lawrence. A lot of lightning strikes. In fact, 364 lightning strikes in the last 30 minutes. So that's a lot of lightning. For the Kansas City metro area, it looks like the heaviest rain is going to go south of Gardner, south of Spring Hill, but rain is going to spread in. It is already spreading in to the city right now. It's almost to the plaza already. Here is a high resolution. Look at that. Notice the back edge of the rain is right there. So in about an hour, this is going to move through, and then that is it. But then we'll set the stage for an Easter weekend storm. Tracking this rain, it'll be in Overland Park at 5:22, Kansas City by 5:29, and the Plaza at 5:32. Independence, the heavier rain should be in your area by about 5:51 a.m. this morning. Yeah, it's early. 61 degrees right now. 1 inch of rain so far this month. I'm expecting about a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch of rain at KCI Airport. Let's see what happens here in the next couple hours. Temperatures everywhere 20 degrees warmer than yesterday, in the 60s right now. So a mild start to the day, and we're expecting a high of 78 degrees today. All right, here it is tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. tomorrow, a different situation. No thunderstorms expected. A cold front will be blowing through. This front with snow in Colorado and maybe a foot to 2 feet of snow around Breckenridge. That front's going to push south and stall, become stationary, and this puts us into the colder air. So Saturday, this likely means 40s for high temperatures, okay, if this sets up the way I think it's going to. And so while it's in the 40s here, you can see we're in the cold air. Then a low pressure area develops right here on the front, and it moves off to the northeast along the front. Some of the models have the low tracking up into Kansas, and that brings the warm air back in here, which would lead to a chance of severe weather, and this one shows that. The other models have it a little farther south, and the stays in place, but either way, Easter Sunday is looking a little on the wet side with this storm coming in. Here is our forecast for today. 78 degrees, rain ending by just after sunrise. Mostly cloudy with gradual clearing. Tonight, 65, clear and breezy and staying mild tonight. Tomorrow, a cold front will move through, the wind shifting to the north, and we'll have a high of 71 degrees. Then, thunderstorms are possible tomorrow evening around I-70 and southward. In our super 10-day forecast, you can see Easter Sunday 55 with a 100% chance of rain and thunderstorms, 48 degrees on Saturday, and then next week has chances of showers and thunderstorms, maybe some severe weather. We are going into the heart of severe weather season. No severe weather today, though.